So welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Ivan Isley, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe down below. And for today's video, guys, I will teach you how to doggy, or I will teach you how to download AC Market and Kinemaster. So Kinemaster is a video editor app. Um, so first of all, guys, you need to have a browser, which is any type of browser will do, and I recommend Google Chrome for this. So search acmarket.net. So AC Market, and then download. Wait. So download now. This you need to download this, guys. So after you go and download that application, this is the application, guys, AC Market, and you need to go in and open. So what is AC Market, guys? This is many apps are tracked here. So example like the in Play Store, there are many types of games apps that are um that have cost like $50 or ano, and here you only just need to download it for free. So for today we need to download the Kinemaster. So search Kinemaster, guys. Kinemaster video editor. So wait, Kinemaster. So Kinemaster. After you go download this, guys, this down arrow, this go and download. In my case, I have my Kinemaster app already, and after you download this app, um, please install it and click the unknown resource for so this Kinemaster's specs is ad service disabled, analytics disabled, full subscription unlocked, full shop for assets access, and no watermark. So this I don't know if this is working for um, mostly in iOS. So in my case, I have an Android. So I recommend an Android app or Android phone, Android app. So after you download Kinemaster, please open this Kinemaster. So I will teach you how to guys add some pretty good not pretty good yeah, pretty na a, a good one edit. So in my case, here's my so what did I do, guys? So first we will go to media here and click the whatever video pictures, if you want to compile pictures, screen record videos, um uh, it's all up to you, guys, if what video so in my case, I'll go to my screen record and edit this video. So after, guys, so you select a video, please click the check mark, and if you want to add layers on this, like this, um, text, so subscribe. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na kayo. Subscribe, please. Subscribe po. So how to change the color. So here you can, there are many different kinds of colors. Yeah. So yeah. So yeah. So what if I go to change the font? Click the So there are Latins, Android dancing script. There are not so many, but you can access here so many Kinemaster asset store. So you go there. So there are different kinds of options there, and you want to familiarize. You subscribe and wait for the another video tutorial. So this is my subscribe please. So what if I add up some background music? So I have my downloaded songs here. So what if I go ahead? Yan, ako si Doggy Vlog background. So you can adjust the audio. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Yes, let's go. So I already edit these videos and I want to show you guys how to. So if you want to have a voice like and after you go and it's all in guys, if you please if you want to cut the video. There are many types of speed, reverse, etc. The voice and volume envelope, the net, vignette. So there are clip graphics, cut video, or ano pa. So go and check and please click this what do you call this, three dots, align dots, and you can adjust the resolution. This is the export and share guys. So how to, so in my case I won't export this, but I will, and it depends on your storage in your phone, which this can add up the quality that you will upload, or ano, you want to make the video to have a video presentation for your class. So this is it. So if you want to add frame rate, this I recommend the 30 guys if you have a mid-range device. So if you go into the lower frame rate, might be pretty low quality for me. So yeah, so I go on 30, then click export. So click nyo yan. In my case, wait for that. So it might be quite big for me. So that's all. I'll cancel this. And before I end this video guys, I want to thank you all for watching, and please click like, share, and subscribe to my channel guys. Share it to your friends that wants to edit some videos and etc. If you want to upload and you want to make video like vlogs, this is my recommendable video editor app. There are many options here, but it can support .mkv and kv file. So yeah, if you like this video, please click the like button, and please press dislike if you don't like the video. So if this is not knowledgeable to you and informationable, so please click share it to your friends, and click subscribe. So this is Ivan Ice and signing out, and see you in the next video tutorial for Alpha. So peace out, peace everyone.